How to manage money wisely. The easiest way to achieve financial goals. Most people work hard every day, but at the end of the month, they don't know where their money went. Bills pile up, savings remain low, and financial stress increases. Have you ever felt that way? If so, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people believe financial planning is complicated, but the truth is, it's easier than you think. Once you understand a few simple principles, you can take full control of your money and secure your future. Imagine a life where you don't worry about money every month. You know exactly where your money goes, you save for the future, and you can afford the things that matter to you, whether it's a new house, a dream vacation, or early retirement. That's the power of financial planning, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Think of financial planning like driving a car. Would you start a long road trip without knowing your route? No. You check the map, make sure you have enough fuel, and plan your stops along the way. Money works the same way. Without a plan, you might spend without thinking and struggle later. But with a clear financial plan, you'll know exactly where your money should go and how to make it work for you. Financial planning gives you freedom. Freedom from debt, freedom from stress, and freedom to live life on your terms. The first step in financial planning is understanding how much money you make. Your income can come from different sources, such as your salary, business profits, rental income, interest from savings, dividends from investments, pension for retirees. Make a list of all your income sources. This will give you a clear picture of how much money you have to work with every month. The next step is to understand where your money goes. Most people don't track their expenses and are surprised at how much they spend on small things like coffee, dining out, or online shopping. These small expenses add up over time. Write down everything you spend for a month. Categorize your expenses into essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, and non-essentials: shopping, entertainment, eating out. Look for areas where you can cut down spending. Many people spend first and save whatever is left, but that's the wrong approach. The best way to save money is to pay yourself first. That means putting aside savings before spending on other things. A simple rule to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to personal expenses, shopping, dining, entertainment. 20% goes to savings and investments. If you make this a habit, you'll always have money saved for emergencies and future goals. Saving money is important, but you need to know why you're saving. That's where financial goals come in. Think about what you want to achieve in life. Buying a house, purchasing a car, paying off debt, saving for your child's education, planning for retirement. Once you set a goal, decide how much money you need and buy when you want to achieve it. This will help you plan your savings and investments accordingly. Saving money is good, but keeping all your savings in cash won't help your money grow. To build wealth, you need to invest your savings. Here are some investment options based on your risk level. Low-risk investments, safe but low returns. Fixed deposits, government bonds, savings accounts. Medium-risk investments, good returns with some risk. Mutual funds, real estate. High-risk investments, higher returns but higher risk. Stocks, cryptocurrency. Don't put all your money in one place. Instead, spread your investments across different options to reduce risk. If you're not sure where to invest, talk to a financial advisor or do your own research. The earlier you start investing, the more your money will grow over time. No matter how well you plan, life is unpredictable. That's why having insurance is important. There are different types of insurance. Health insurance covers medical bills in case of illness. Life insurance provides financial support to your family if something happens to you. Property insurance protects your home and car from damage or loss. Many people ignore insurance, thinking it's unnecessary, but one unexpected event, like a medical emergency, can wipe out your savings. Having the right insurance ensures you and your family are protected. Avoid taking unnecessary loans for things you don't need. By keeping your debts under control, you'll have more freedom to use your money wisely. Financial planning is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Your progress towards financial goals if needed. Make adjustments to stay on track. The key is to be consistent and disciplined with your financial plan. Financial planning is not just about money. It's about freedom. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms without financial stress. It's about making sure your future is secure so that you can enjoy life without constant money worries. The best time to start financial planning was yesterday. The second best time is today. Start small. Track your expenses, save a little, invest wisely, and stay consistent. Even small changes can make a big difference over time. So, are you ready to take control of your money and build a better future? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to YouTube Hungama for more health tips.